With your new Xumo Stream Box, you can now enjoy an easier way to stream. Here's a step-by-step guide for installing and activating your Xumo. First, make sure you have an internet connection with Wi-Fi turned on and have the Wi-Fi network name and password ready. You will also need a valid email address and a separate device, like a smartphone or tablet, to create your free online Xumo account. This account is separate from your Spectrum account and is required to activate your Xumo Stream Box. Most TVs will automatically pair your Xumo remote to control the TV power and volume, but you may need to enter the make and model of your TV and external speaker system if you use one. To start installing your Xumo Stream Box, connect the included HDMI cable from your TV to your Xumo. Then, connect one end of the included power adapter to your Xumo Stream Box and the other end to an electrical outlet. You will see the power indicator light up. Now, turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI source using input or source on your TV or your TV remote. Next, remove the tab on the included Xumo voice remote to activate the remote. Instructions for completing your Xumo Stream Box activation will now appear on your TV. The initial welcome page will display for a few minutes after your Xumo Stream Box is turned on. Choose your language preference on the next screen. When prompted, select your Wi-Fi network name and enter the password. Your Xumo may perform a software update and your screen may go blank temporarily. If it's blank for longer than 10 minutes, reset your Xumo by unplugging it and plugging it back in. Continue following the on-screen prompts, including the option to pair your Xumo remote to control your TV power and volume. When prompted, scan the on-screen QR code with your smartphone or tablet, or go to xumo.com/activate to enter the 6-digit code shown on your TV screen. Then enter your email address to log in or create a Xumo account and link your Xumo Stream Box. Once your account is linked, continue following the instructions on your TV to personalize your Xumo experience. After activating your Xumo and connecting to your Spectrum Internet network, you will be automatically signed in to the Spectrum TV app. The Spectrum TV app will be on the app row on the home page, along with other pre-installed apps. For additional Xumo support, including how to use the voice remote and navigate the Spectrum TV app, visit spectrum.net/Xumo.